Hello everyone, I am Shubham M. Chaudhary. In today's lecture of pharmacognosy, we are studying laxative drugs. So, laxative are the drugs which loosen the bowels or intestine. For example, Senna and Isabgol. Purgatives are the drugs which evacuates the bowels. For example, aloe, rhubarb, castor oil, and senna. Drastic or cathartics are the drugs which are active purgative, usually producing first drug is aloe. Synonym Corford, Musabbar or Grut Kumari. Biological source aloe is a dried juice obtained after incisions to thick fleshy leaves of aloe peri, aloe vera, aloe africana, aloe spicata, aloe barbadensis, aloe ferox belonging to family Liliaceae. These are the various species of aloes. Morphology. Color depending on variety, color changes. It is dark brown, brownish black or black. Odor is characteristic. Taste is intensely bitter and nauseating. Size found in masses of variable sizes. Solubility soluble in 60% alcohol and partly soluble in water. Chemical constituents. It contains anthraquinone glycosides. Main glycosides are aloin, barbaloin, isobarbaloin, beta-barbaloin, aloimodine, alonoside A and B, capelloreginotenol with p-cumaric acid, barbaloreginotenol with cinnamic acid. Uses. It is irritant purgative. It acts on colon, causes gripping in pelvis, which is overcome by giving carminative along drug. Next is rhubarb. Synonyms: rheum, rhizome rhei, lakdi, revanchini and gandhini. Biological source. Rhubarb consists of rhizomes of Rheum palmatum, Rheum imodi, Rheum webianum and belonging to family Polygonaceae. It is collected from 6 to 8 years old plants just before flowering season. Color brown or yellow. Odor is fragrant. Taste is bitter and astringent. Size 2 to 20 cm in length and 1.5 to 2 cm in diameter. Shape subcylindrical, barrel shape, conical or plano-convex species. Fracture granular. Chemical constituents. Anthraquinone glycosides, mainly chirospinol and iloimodine, rein, physicon, quinone, anthrone and dianthrone. It also contains cinnamic acid, gallic acid and rein acids. Its use as a mild purgative. It contains tannins, hence action is associated with astringent effect after purgation. It stomachic in smaller dose. Adulterants are Rheum raponticum. Next is castor oil. Synonym Oleum ricini, eranditel. Biological source. Castor oil is the fixed oil obtained by cold expression of seeds of resinous communis, family Euphorbiaceae. Its color is pale yellow or colorless. Odor is nauseating. Taste is bland, acrid and nauseating. Solubility soluble in alcohol, miscible with organic solvents. And extra features are semi-drying oil. Chemical constituents. It contains fixed oil, mainly triglycerides of ricinoleic acid, vitamin F, isoricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid and isostearic acid. Uses. are catalytic. It is also used in paints, enamels, varnishes, greases, polishes, printing ink, and hydraulics. Due to irritant action, is used in abortifacient paste and contraceptive creams and jellies. Also used in hair oil and hair fixers. Next drug is Ispagula or Isabgol. Synonyms: Isabgol. Biological source: Isabgol consists of dried seeds of the plant Plantago ovate, family Plantageneaceae. Color: pinkish gray to brown. Odor is none. Taste is mucilaginous, bland, and size 10 to 35 mm in length and 1 to 1.75 mm in width. Shape is ovate and cuneiform. Chemical constituents: contains carbohydrates, mainly pentosane and aldobionic acid. Other products of hydrolysis are xylose, arabinose, galacturonic acid, and ramenose. Husk and seeds contains mainly mucilage. Uses: demulcent laxative, emollient in treatment of chronic constipation, amoebic and bacillary dysentery. Mucilage of isabgol used in the preparation of tablets, stabilizers in ice cream industry. Use in poultices in rheumatic pains. Adulterants are Plantago lanceolata and substituents Plantago acetica and Plantago psyllium. Next is Senna leaves. Synonym: Indian Senna, Tinnevelly Senna, Alexandrian Senna, European Senna, and Sonamukhi. Geographical source: Indian Senna is cultivated and collected in India in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and in Tamil Nadu mainly in Tinnevelly, Madurai, and Ramnathpuram districts. Cultivation and collection of senna. The cultivation of senna is done by sowing the seeds by broadcasting or dibbling method. It requires 18 kg of seeds per hectare. The cultivation is done twice in a year, in March April and in November December. For cultivation, well-drained irrigated land is preferred. Red or black soil is good. In March and in April, sowing is done as main crop, while in November and December as side crop along with chilies, paddy and coriander. The crop is allowed to grow for 3 to 5 months and flowering tops are cut off for development of lateral branching and proper thickness of the leaves. It is harvested by cutting just above the ground and dried. Drying of the drug needs about 7 to 8 days. About 10% crop is retained from production of the seeds. The average yield per hectare is about 750 kg of dry leaves and 50 kg of dry pods. Morphology of senna. Color yellowish to green. Odor is light. Taste mucilaginous, bitter and characteristic. Size 7 to 8 mm in width and 25 to 60 mm in length. Shape lanceolate. Apex is acute with spine at top. Base is asymmetrical. Leaves are pubescent in both surfaces. Chemical constituents. Senna contains anthraquinone glycosides, mainly senoside A, B, C and D. Cameferol, aloimodine, isoremetinic acid, myricyl alcohol, phytosterol, salicylic acid, mucilage, resin, etc. Uses: is used as a laxative, irritant purgative, as it causes gripping in pelvic, is overcome by mixing drug with carminative. Adulterants are Elenthus glandulosa and substituents dog senna, Palthe senna and Arabian senna. Thank you.